gosh, you guys, I just got a brand new Lalaloopsy. And her name is Frosty Icy Cone. And who just looks so pretty and cute. Who's like all like shiny, almost seafood, and it just looks so yummy. Let's look on the back. So here her is. Who's all like gorgeous. I don't know how you could say it, but it's prettier. And this is like her house, and there's like snow cones around here. All right, you guys, let's open it. Gee, this one is really hard. Alright, I'm starting to get it. I kind of been careful, but hints of the little rip, I'm probably not going to keep it because this is what it was missing. See how this cone goes to this? It's kind of not as cool to keep it if you ripped it. You would see how it was if you ripped your background. Alright, now let me get the snow cone out. So the snow cone has like this pink straw and this pink cone, and then the snow cone part is all like blue, icy blue, and there's these little dots. I'm just gonna put it like right there. Now let me get her hat out. I think it like a little bunny who looks all like snow cone-ish. Her color is all purple snow cone-ish, and then it has a snow cone hat. Looks adorable. Now let me get her. She has these cute little pink ballerina shoes. They're like so cute. And her hair is just like candy almost, but they're like snow cones. And has this straw cone hat and this bow. It looks so cute. Hope you like her, guys. Bye.